I'm responsible for recruitment, for development and performance management mainly. We work with people. Every day is different, every day is challenging, and that's what I like. Be yourself. Together with local polytechnic school, we opened the mechatronic field of study in 2016. Next year we will open another new field of study there. It's the chemist operator. Cooperation with local polytechnic school here in Ružomberok and having apprentices in the mill is important to us. It supports our continuous talent pipeline and new performance needs that we have. Within the past 4 years we have had 68 apprentices in the mill, out of which we employed 5. And we cooperate with also many other high schools and universities. Communication. Communication with people, internal or external, always brings excitement and challenge. The best part is when I can inform candidate that it's hired.